In today's video, let's talk about how to create playlists on Amazon Music. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video on Howgenic. In order for you to create a playlist inside of Amazon Music, you need to first of all subscribe to a plan. Unless you have the unlimited plan of Amazon, you won't be able to create a playlist. So let me quickly show you an example. If you head over to the library section, head over to music, it is going to show you the option of playlist. You can just click on this option, and right here you'll have the option called create playlist. You can name this playlist whatever you like and then click on save. Now as soon as you click on save, if you're not a Amazon Music Unlimited user, you won't be able to create one. So it says right here, this feature is only available with Amazon Music Unlimited. So you need to first of all add in your card details, add in your payment method, and then click on try it for free, as you can get a 3-month free trial. Once the 3-month free trial ends, you will start to get charged. If you do want to create a playlist, make sure you add in your card details and you'd be able to add all of the songs, music, or even podcasts into the playlist that you created. So that's basically it on the way that you create playlists inside of Amazon Music. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.